nothing I can do to stop this, no. 'Cause either way you're gonna go. Let me look you in.
Got this song up inside of me, in a world I don't wanna say. Just the same damn thing. What's your height, what's your age, what's the price of your way? And every year we're expected to show all the things that we were able to grow. When you're making half the money but the cost is double. Quiet life of desperation, but it ain't gonna make me too much longer. Been working too hard for this shit to now pop, so we gotta get it poppin' now. Quiet life of desperation, I'ma have to live a little louder. No, I ain't gonna end up like the man trying to figure out the man who got it figured out. Just buy me a new condo, in the same year move back home. Guess 20s ain't as friendly as a place where you were born. Anytime you reach for something, they claim that you need nothing.
Why can't we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me. Snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward? Bust down that door, playing all my cards now. 'Cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I want it in the worst ways, oh baby. The shame that we don't operate well, baby. 'Cause you're bad for my health, I swear you go to hell. Take the L, I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me, no more.
맛있게 돌게 하는 거.
Never been to California, never been to LA, so I'll stay home, write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday. My friends all getting married, settling down, So I lay here, watch the ceiling fan going around. And it's always gone too fast, like a trip to the
Hey, how have you been? I'm doing better. Don't waste my time all night. What a shame. I thought a night could work things around. Fuck you.
Don't hit my line, don't hit my home, don't hit my cell, don't hit my phone. Don't hit me up when you out, when you see him. He can go cry when I react as DM. He can go die in a ditch when I'm out with his bitch. Steady bragging and boasting, we running this shit. Who the fuck think he is? Not a man, he's a kid.
Cause you may be so blue, and I promise to God I'll cut you off. But really I'm just passing the time.